Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial, I will show you how to view your Chase debit card number right from the Chase app. Okay, this can be helpful if you need your card number for online shopping or just to double check it, right? Let's dive right in, okay? First things first, guys. You want to open the Chase app on your mobile device. Make sure you're actually signed into your account. And if you're not signed in, guys, enter your username and password. Or you can use, your fingerprint or Face ID to access your account. And once you're actually logged in, guys, you'll be on the main dashboard where you're going to be seeing an overview of your accounts. Just locate your checking account associated with your debit card and just tap on it. And now that you're in your checking account details, what you want to do, guys, is look for an option that says see card details. Okay, this is usually right below your account number or under your account options menu, right? So for security, what's going to happen, guys, is that Chase will likely ask you to verify your identity, right? You may actually be prompted to enter your passcode, fingerprint or Face ID. Just complete the verification to actually proceed. And once you've verified, guys, once you've verified, your card details will actually appear on the screen such as this. You can see right here. So here you'll be able to see your full debit card number, expiration date, and sometimes even the CVV code, guys, okay? And there you have it, guys. Now you can, see your debit card information anytime on the Chase app. Remember to keep your card number private and secure, guys, especially when you're using it online, guys, okay? This is very, very important. And that's it, guys, for today's tutorial. If this video helps you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for more helpful finance and app tips, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.